What's up, everybody? We've broken down. This isn't the main mower. This is our spare mower. You know, the New Holland 7330. Yeah, it's less than ideal. We're down the road at some of the far. Oh, we gotta.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, don't forget you're hooked up.
Well, I can back up and you can pull that. But yeah, we got. It's a little scary that this mower head is only held on by these two brackets. I mean, they're pretty hefty, but still a little nerve-wracking. But yeah, I got most of it done, and we had a problem. This one, I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it has decided to exit the chat. And this is the pod. This is the rock guard that's supposed to break, and then you just unbolt it from here. But we keep seeming to have where the pods bolt together, that's cracking. So I don't really have the bench tough enough to hold it, so I gotta run it up to our New Holland dealer, which is like an hour from here. We bought this from, but we got it strapped down good, nice with the long flatbed. We can just slide it on. But yeah, we're gonna get that set. Hannah's gonna TED this out. Stuff's drying like crazy. If this didn't break, we probably would be mowing more. And yeah, it's just beautiful hay weather. So we're gonna get this up there. Hopefully they can get it fixed. It's really just these two bolts. Unbolt, they usually have the pod, or I think it's actually the arm in between, and then rebolt it. So hopefully last time they can get it. So we'll see, and yeah, we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Hopefully we don't break anything else, but maybe. I don't know, she's tedding, so. Have any comments?
That was so rude.
No way.
It was so rude.
I mean, I broke the mower, so I was mowing, but she doesn't like to mow.
I
so.
refuse to mow.
Yeah, so anyways, I think we're strapped down good, so we're gonna get on the road and get to it. Welcome back, everybody. We are back. Oh, sorry. We are back. And yeah, we got this fixed. Shout out to the guys up at Fosterdale Equipment. That's where we got this mower from. Sorry, sun. You know, nice sunset right now. But yeah, Fosterdale Equipment, they're great. They definitely helped me out. Got me right in. We just needed the spacer, but this bolt has to be tightened a specific way. So they got me set. Appreciate it. If y'all see this, appreciate y'all. Ronnie, Boyd, and Joe. Yeah, they're the guys up there. They're great. But yeah, so we got this all back. Rock guard back on. You know, this is the piece, the spacer here. That's the part that was cracked. Rock guard all back, and yeah, new bolts. And yeah, she's back. She's all in time. Just got to get this pod on once we get it under. And yeah, brought the grease gun with us to grease it up. Hannah's unhooking the tedder. She got all this hay here tedded out today. We're hoping this didn't set us back, because we were hoping to get through all of our stuff like down the road. We call it down the road stuff. So you know, the stuff back home is definitely ready to bail tomorrow. This stuff, ooh yeah, sunny 85. I mean, yeah, it's ready. It's looking good. And the stuff that I mowed last over back might be a little less. She's got to go around. Gotta go around the other side. Yeah. Grab it the right way. And yeah, we're gonna get this on and get it back up under there and get it all driven and get it running, because then tomorrow, hopefully we'll get it. We don't have much more on this side of across town. There's probably 10-ish acres. But then we have some more down the road. That's gonna be iffy if we get to that. But anyways, got this all set. We got knives all set. That one's the only one that's a little iffy, but yeah, all flipped around. You know, this is the side that was on, all chipped, and now I got nice teeth on. So it's all set. We're gonna get it going. So, this mower is our older mower. As you can see, this is the cutter bar. This is the main business end of the mower. Well, yeah. So this is where all the cutting gets done. You know, these are the knives that actually cut the grass, and they're the whole thing. You know, we do check out every so often, like this. There's a little twine wrapped around. It is best to clean these out. You know, we do try get this all cleaned out, because if this gets wrapped up in there, it actually melts, and then that gets in the oil, and then when you don't use it, it cools and solidifies, and no bueno. So we usually do that like on our yearly maintenance check. Should we do it now? Yes. Are we crunched for time like always? Yes. So we want to get this back together so then tomorrow we can go. Yes. Yeah, as you can see here, so this is where the two brackets that, you know, hold the entire cutter bar on are. I'm just cleaning it up a little bit so everything hopefully flows better. By flows, I mean slides in. So just kind of got a guide hand in here, but you can see each one of these pods. So this is actually its own pod. So this whole assembly can unbolt, and we can replace this if we have any damage. There was one time I wrecked this whole thing, hit a big rock, caught down bad. So this cutter bar is only, you know, 3 years old maybe. So it's not bad. It's a good backup mower for stuff like this. So we'll get her in. So here we got the nice and tight bushing. I'm actually gonna try putting this back one on, and then yeah, I probably should. There we go. And then I'm gonna try to like get the other side in, and then see if I can put that end drive pod on, and then swing it up. But we'll see. But yeah, here's the one. I gotta be careful because it does have the grease fitting on it. But then I'll just get this started on the back end. It is a little pain in the behind. It's up in here, but we'll get it good and tight. See if we can get the other side. Yeah, we'll see. These are the same front and back, so. But it is nice having it right on the forks. Nice and easy. And of course, there's this fork's bent, so this is riding lower than that, which is annoying, but we'll see. What are you doing? Here you go up a little bit. Yeah. My tractor operator got off the tractor. But anyways, I'm gonna put you all down.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
So it's all on. It's pretty simple. You can see here where we have welded that bracket back on. So that's what makes a little bit of pain, but besides that, we did seem to cut off a little bit of that edge. But now the fun part, I gotta get this corner back on. Always want to put those, you know, the timing on the cutter bar, you know, you want one this way so that it alternates. Hannah's gonna get greasing.
The whole thing?
Yeah, I don't know when I greased it, so let's do for it. Look at that.
We
right
grease
there.
it so regularly.
But yeah, so now I gotta get that. I gotta get the pod. I had put it with us. I didn't know if I was gonna have them do everything, so just where I need to get back going. So then we put the knives. Here's the drive for it. So what fun! And then that first guard. So I'm gonna go back on. So got this in. You gotta kind of put this piece up in there first, and then kink it, and then put the sleeve over it and work it, and then it finally gets in, and then you just kind of gotta search for the holes and stuff. But we got it. It's a pain, but hopefully we'll get this going. Then we gotta go fuel up the truck because that's just about out of fuel, and yeah, running now. Now we also got to load for tomorrow morning, so we got to run that truck back home, untool it, and yeah.
Well, I done did it again. Not again, but we were round baling, and the round baler started to smoke. So I just sprayed some water on it, and hopefully it's okay. So now I'm gonna go get the small square baler, and hopefully we can get the field done, because that was the goal for today. It's nice looking stuff, so hi lady, so it'll make some nice small squares, but we're gonna get it done, and now we have another project. Woohoo!
Soundstripe. Soundstripe. Soundstripe.